Welcome, guys. Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Welcome, guys. Happy New Year. And welcome to 2022. Welcome to our channel, AB Reactions.
Reaction.
So, for today, we'll be looking at
Disturbed.
Disturbed, a very funny name.
Yeah. I hope the music is not disturbing.
So, we're looking at Disturbed. This one is The Sound of Silence.
yeah.
And this is a band. It's actually a rock band.
Like in 1994.
Yes, I think they were formed in 1994.
Okay.
So they're not that vintage like the rest of them.
But it's still actually pretty old.
Yeah, but 1998 is quite old also. So welcome. So let's go through this at once and see what. Let's go.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs and voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fool said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms and I might reach you. But my words, like silent
Yeah, like there's this thing his voice has. There's this distinctiveness his voice has. And the funny thing, like when we hear rock bands, there's this orientation we have, like like aggressive but this was just solemn and
So I
wow.
felt it. Like I don't even know exactly what to say. The video is a little bit dark.
Yes, yes, yes.
Did I say a
I,
little bit? The videos are dark,
I, I
deep,
I think it rhymed with the words he was saying,
saying,
like the whole concept of the song,
imagine
basically.
sounds of silence. You know, I'm even thinking about the title of this one.
Yes.
Sounds of silence.
It just feels like when you're speaking, it feels like nobody can hear
Hear
you.
you.
Wow.
Or when you're even not speaking, when you're silent, but you're actually speaking.
Yeah,
Understand?
yeah.
So I really don't know what to
I really
say.
don't know what to say, man. I actually love this
But
guy.
I know I was just captivated by.
I love this guy. Like the emotion I'm actually feeling now. That's actually what I want. Like that's what music does,
Does.
really. It has a way of portraying different emotions. This is amazing.
Wow, this is first time hearing. We didn't mention, but this is the first time we're hearing this, and I think for me, I'm just captivated. I
I don't
couldn't.
want to sound cliche, but I'm disturbed.
So this is no. Honestly speaking, this is good. This is amazing.
Yeah,
This
really.
is deep.
Really,
It's
really.
deep. I think we should check the lyrics sometime and see
Yeah, yeah.
exactly what he was saying.
I think that way is going to get deeper.
It's going to get
because-
deeper, yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for this. And
we actually hope you feel the same way we feel right now.
we're short of words for this particular song. I am short of words for this particular song. So let's see you guys next time.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe also. See you guys next time.